Right now, almost every organization is currently rushing to acquire the most capable AI models on the market. Yet, beneath the technical surface, these projects often encounter friction. Employees hesitate when they don't understand the tool, and leaders second-guess outputs they can't verify. The competitive advantage for the next decade will belong to the organizations that prioritize trust. Trust is what converts a new technology into a dependable business capability. To find where your organization stands, we are going to use a 5-step foundational AI trust assessment. This identifies specific gaps in your data, your people, and your oversight. Managing these 5 operational questions ensures that AI integration remains a responsibility of the leadership team, rather than a siloed technical project. We will track our assessment on this trust scorecard. The first requirement is data. AI requires information that is accurate, that is entirely complete, and strictly current to produce reliable outcomes. If the AI cannot trust the data, the results cannot be used. For example, if a customer service chatbot is connected to a database containing unorganized return policies from 2022, it will provide your current customers with incorrect answers. Poor data doesn't make the AI smarter, it allows the system to generate mistakes more quickly. Once the data is secured, we look at the second item, processes. This determines whether the workflows surrounding the AI make its outputs dependable. When using AI to generate marketing copy, that content must pass through a structured pipeline of validation, human approval, and governance. Human-in-the-loop workflows act as a necessary gatekeeper, ensuring that automated content meets organizational standards before it goes live. Reliability isn't a feature of the software itself, it's a result of the rigorous processes built around the model. The third step focuses on safeguards. This means establishing clear operational guardrails. Consider an HR department using AI to screen resumes. Without specific safeguards to prevent bias or protect private applicant data, the system becomes a liability. Trust grows when you can explain exactly how AI decisions are monitored and validated. If the logic of a system cannot be explained, the decisions it makes cannot be defended. Fourth, we assess people. This determines if your workforce is prepared to collaborate with these systems. A financial analyst must be trained to identify a hallucination when an AI fabricates a plausible-sounding but entirely false metric. Knowing exactly when a model has reached its limit and when human judgment must take over is a critical new skill for every department. When teams can accurately flag AI errors and apply the context the model lacks, the technology becomes a reliable asset. The final step is trust assurance. This reframes trust as a continuous discipline, rather than a one-time project. This follows the same logic as cybersecurity. You don't secure a company network once, you monitor and protect it every day. This discipline requires a constant cadence, monitoring performance, measuring accuracy, validating outputs, and strengthening the controls. This loop applies to your data, your workflows, your safety guardrails, and your workforce training. Trust isn't a software patch. It's a capability that must be maintained through consistent leadership. These 5 questions provide the baseline for the trusted AI method. The organizations that successfully scale this technology are not necessarily those with the largest budgets. They are the ones that have built a culture of trust. Data provides the raw material for AI, but trust determines whether an organization can actually use the results. To begin identifying your own organizational vulnerabilities, you can start a formal, customized audit at audit.rushtreeai.com. Addressing these 5 specific questions daily ensures that your AI remains a dependable, integrated part of your future.